Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to add rental car coverage by phone on Geico in 2025. Alright, it's going to be a quick video. We're not going to waste too much time on this one at all. Just going to give you guys a quick step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's jump straight into it. Now, the first thing you're going to do is to call Geico's customer service representative, and the number is right there on the phone. And once you call that up, a representative is going to pick that up to speak with you. Now, once they pick up your call, you're going to need to provide your policy information, including, of course, your policy number. Now, once you've provided that, you can go ahead and request to add rental car coverage for your policy, and just select the coverage option that best suits your specific needs. And you can confirm the changes to your policy with the customer service representative, and they're going to take care of the rest for you. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to add a rental car coverage by phone on Geico in 2025. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys in the next one.